Good morning, students. Now let's talk about the fourth and fifth state of matter, that is plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. We will just discuss in a brief. We will not discuss in detail as it is not in your syllabus. Let's talk about plasma. It consists of gases which are extremely super excited and at a high temperature. So plasma consists of super energetic and super excited particles. When they're excited, when they have high energy. So particles are having super energy and super excited. Particles of plasma are made up of free electrons and ions. So especially in case of plasma, when we will study in detail about atoms, that they have electrons, protons, but when the electrons are moving freely in a matter, that's called free electrons. And obviously when electrons are moving freely, they will form ions. So it consists of a gas in which electrons are moving freely and there are ions are present. So it is actually a ionized gas. Plasma is actually an ionized gas having super excited and super energetic particles. So this is the one case of and such kind of state of matter is known as plasma. So plasma is like a gaseous state, but it is having high energy, high excited particles, having free electrons and free ions, ionized gas. Even sun and star, obviously they are very much high. They are very much high temperature, so they are glowing because of the plasma in them. Because they are made of gases and they have high energy, so the particles are actually in the plasma state. Plasma, obviously plasma TV got its name because of the presence of plasma in it. Also it is used on the fluorescent light, neon signboards. So plasma is used having wide application. Now let's talk about the fifth state of matter, Bose-Einstein condensate. It is actually the opposite of plasma. Low energy, low excited state. And this name Bose and Einstein, the Bose is actually the name of Satyendra Bose, Indian scientist, which has continued the theory which the Einstein predicted in probably 1924 to 1925. Einstein predicted this state of matter. Let us understand. Plasma and BEC, that is Bose-Einstein condensate, are having opposite characters. Both are opposite. Plasma is super hot and super excited. On the other hand, BEC has super cool and super unexcited particles. So it is quite opposite. Super unexcited, super cool particles. And here super excited and super energetic particles. The BEC is formed by cooling a gas of extremely low density. So when density is very much low, quite low, molecules are far apart and they are actually cooled at very low temperature, extremely super low temperature. So the state of matter which is formed is known as Bose-Einstein condensate. This matter was predicted by Einstein and later the work was continued in a state of science, so a stream of science called quantum statistics by Satyendra Bose. So this fifth state of matter is named as Bose-Einstein condensate. So this was about the fourth and fifth state of matter, which is not there in the syllabus, but it is just a brief introduction about it. Okay, fine.